Hello there, Screwdriver here at Bell CB. We have a repair report today for Paul in Florida. This is the Galaxy 95T. Paul was having a problem where it was radio would heat up on him and it would quit transmitting. He could turn it off, let it cool off for a little bit, turn it back on, it would start again and go for a little while, then quit again. Okay, so now there's two transistors in here, one for receive and one for transmit, that when they switch, the 8 volts out. When they receive, one puts out 8 volts, and in transmit, the other one puts out 8 volts. Well, the other one, Q33, is kind of rubbing up against something on the side over here, so it created vibration, caused the bottom solder connections to become loose. So resoldered them, everything's working great now. You want to just do a little demonstration for you, Paul. All right, check it out over here. We got 100 watts across the top, 40 watts, 250 slug, again across the top, 100, 150, 200 over here.
Audio, check, check, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, audio, check, 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Alright. Let's go ahead and give it some sideband. Take a look at this headband power. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check, check. Audio, check, check. Okay. Let's look here. Of course, he didn't have anything wrong with the receiver. Everything was sort of working fine there. Trying to skip out today.